Our planet has a fixed number of resources. Somewhere in the near future, we may run out of them due to humanity's abuse and overuse. Reusability is one of the major ways to conserve these limited resources and pollute less. Recycling and reusing materials is an important task carried out by servicemen like scrap dealers, tailors, plumbers, cobblers, and other repairmen. In the use and throw fashion of today, determining a material's longevity or endurance after initial use is not a task a regular person can handle. That's why we give away small materials and pieces to people and look to recycle. Can you imagine a world without these recyclers, reusers, and repair persons? One might think that it won't be such a big deal as the contribution doesn't meet the level of engineers or doctors. To understand their role in reusability, we have to understand that materials like metals, plastics, or even cloth have a high recycling cost and often end up in landfills, adding to soil and water pollution. We, the students of Vidyaniketan English Medium School, used EpiCollect 5 as a data collection tool and geospatial technology like QGIS and Google Earth Pro to create maps for analyzing data in order to throw some light on the lives of these unsung heroes who have adopted sustainable practices even before it became a necessity. The key takeaways from my analysis are as follows. Most of the service people are appliance repairers, followed by scrap dealers and recyclers located in an urban setting. There is a gender divide in the unorganized sector, with males occupying more jobs than females. Most of the services are located in the vicinity of residential areas. Most workers make less than 500 rupees per day. These area-wise conclusions could not have been obtained without the use of geospatial technologies. We have focused our work towards Sustainable Development Goals 12, 11, 8, and 5. Goal 12, Responsible Consumption and Production, aspires to substantially reduce waste generation and promote sustainable public procurement practices. Goal 11, Sustainable Cities and Communities, aims to reduce the environmental impact of cities. Goal 8, Decent Work and Economic Growth, looks into inclusive and sustainable economic growth and decent work for all. Goal 5 deals with gender equality. The proposed change project is a student initiative, SDG specific, awareness campaign series in our localities and housing complexes to emphasize the need to reuse and recycle goods. This will be combined with an outreach to the local reusers and recyclers holding recycling drives, knowledge sharing sessions on reusability, and an overall appreciation for their efforts towards a sustainable city. Additionally, a web application showing the location and service is conceptualized for easy access to the communities. The value of something isn't limited by its usefulness but by its utility accommodated by endurance and durability. The outlook towards what is classified as a scrap needs to be changed because one man's jump is several scores of lifetimes worth of junk for the planet.